Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because Coleyes sent me a few pairs of their color contact lenses to try out, and we are going to unbox and try them on together. I naturally have hazel eyes, so this is going to be fun to see what they look like in comparison to. I do have the last pair that I tried on, which are a lot of fun, but we're going to dive in and see what they look like. Now you guys, before we jump in, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what my hazel eyes look like with colored contact lenses, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I just got back to my room after stopping by the mailroom to pick up a package from Coleyes. They had reached out to me and asked if they could send me a couple pairs of colored contacts, and I've been loving the options that are available. I naturally have hazel eyes, but even as a kid, as a teenager, I wanted to see what I would look like with different color eyes. And I didn't start doing that until a couple years ago, but I love being able to change that because my eyes are always my favorite feature. I try and accentuate that with my makeup, my eyeliner, and I love the option of doing that with colored contacts. It's so much fun, and when I look at myself, I'm like, who is she? So figured we would try them out. I haven't even opened the box, so let's go ahead. Okay, so there's a little information. I don't remember what I chose. So there are 4 different pairs. I chose ones that don't have a prescription. I technically have 20/20 vision, even though sometimes I wear blue light glasses just to help with like computer and the strain of your eyes with staring at technology all the time. So these have no prescription, but you can get a prescription if you're in your contacts if that's what you need. And then if I remember correctly, these will tell you how long they're good for. So it says 2 lenses, 1 case. It does tell like what the shades are. So like I've got Sassy Gray, I have Cybervision Green, which looks very interesting, Sin Brown, and Love Spell Hot Love. Oh, okay. Those look fun though. Those are a very pretty shade. Natural, so daily look, dating look, natural look, cosplay look, and for dark brown eyes. Okay, so there's a bunch of different details on the packaging. I can't remember. I know online some of them said like how long they were good for. I'm wondering if on the packages inside. So let's see what we've got. So there is also the little like tongs, and it's kind of a little like suction cup that's meant to grab it by like the center, the pupil area, to be able to place it that much easier. And I do have my contact solution so I can clean them prior to first usage. Okay, so in here we have both of the lenses, and then there's also a little like carrying case, which I love this because now I'm not stuck with just the little containers. I do have an easy way to store my contact lenses. I'm really excited for this. So, okay, on here it tells you the life cycle. So this says it's yearly, and then it tells you water content, product name. So this one is good for 1 year. All right, do I want to start with Cybervision Green first? All right, let me check each of these out and see which ones I want to try first. Okay, you guys, so I figured out which order I wanted to put them in, and I started out with Sin Brown. So this one, looking at it, is kind of a caramely, like a very light brown shade, and looking at the pupil area, like I can still see some of the light tan of my eye. Compared to the green and gray that I have in my eye for hazel, it covers everything. Like I'm not seeing a lot of my hazel pulling through, and I don't even see the outer exterior where my eye is gray on this side. It is just that caramely light brown shade, the entire area of my eye. This is fun. I don't think I've had a shade quite like this that I've played around with in the past. I think it might confuse some people. They might go, wait, weren't they usually like a greenish gray? And then now to have this tan caramely shade. So much fun. I really do like having the option to play around and change my colors of my eyes. They also gave me 2 codes. I'll link them down below for discount. So each code does something differently. Check the drop down box for more details. I will also link them in case you're wanting to pick up some contact lenses for yourself. But this is so much fun. If I just wanted to just kind of mute down my eyes a little bit more on the caramely brown side, I'm liking this, because it's not, yeah, it's kind of like a tannish brown. You guys are gonna have to let me know which ones are your favorite pair. This is a lot of fun. I feel like for as light as this is, I could probably wear this in uniform too. It is very natural looking. It just might startle some people that aren't used to seeing me with brown eyes. Okay, I have switched out to Sassy Gray. I am loving this pair. So hazel eyes, then Sassy Gray on this side. All of the contact lenses that I try will be in the right eye. This is so pretty, so much fun. She is gorgeous. I'm loving the lighter shades, and then you have the on the exterior of the eye. I do see a little bit of the green just peeking through around my pupil, but I don't hate it. I love the color contrast of it. It's so light and kind of like, it gives a good effect between the dark gray on the outside and the lighter gray on the inside. So it gives a nice dimension on the eyeball, because I'm used to the dark gray on the exterior of my eye right now. So this is just kind of amplifying that, but then pushing. So I have the green a little bit right here in the center, but I'm getting the gray and the icy tones. I really like this one. It is a lot of fun. So Sassy Gray, and then my natural hazel eyes. I think right now, of the two pairs that I've tried, I think this one's my favorite right now. I really like this one. I'd probably put this in to wear to work tomorrow. Okay, this one, you guys, is Love Spell Hot Love. I just love the name of it. But this one is a lot of fun because it's the light pale blue shade. So whereas with the Sassy Gray, you had the dark gray on the exterior, this is the blue all the way through, and there's no, what is it, the iris? I can't remember the makeup of the eyeball. I know you got the pupil, I know you got the iris, I can't remember all of it. But this one is just the blue the entire way through. There's no exterior circle that's giving that different dimension. I love how icy blue this is, and you've got flakes of like the darker, deeper blue here. But this is so beautiful. There is something to be said about just a solid color the entire covering of your eyeball, the entirety of your eye. And I really like this. I do like the dimensions where it breaks it up and you've got the deep dark circle on the outside. It gives a little bit different dimension. But this, it's from the white of your eye to the light pale blue shade. It just lightens up the look. I'm really enjoying this. I've always wanted and wondered what I would look like with blue eyes. I still am in love with Sassy Gray. I really like that one. I would say Sassy Gray, and then this one, which is the Love Spell Hot Love. A lot of fun. Now we have one more pair. Let me go and switch those out, and then I will come back and let you know which ones are my favorites. Okay, you guys, this last pair is called Cybervision Green. I was not sure. I was like, did I order those? And I remember the name Cybervision. These are so much fun. So hazel eyes have a little bit of green, but this green is out of this world. It is like something different than what I'm so used to. I love the fact that I have a little bit of green in my eyes, but this is like a mint with lime. And then there's even like, it still lets the gray around the exterior of my eye just kind of peek through. There's so much going on here, and it just lightens up. This green is something else. It kind of has the effect of the hazel, where you've got the darker shade on the outside, the lighter, and then even like the brown. This is the gray peeking through with the mint and the lime. There's so much to it, and I'm in love with this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if it's like an everyday for me, but it is a lot of fun. And I feel like with like the right makeup and whatever we're doing that night, like this would be a lot of fun to go out and just change up my eyes a little bit. Let me know what you think. So Hazel Cybervision green. And they also had, I want to say it was like a Cybervision gray. I did have to look it up. Let me check real quick because I know that there is another shade for Cybervision. Oh, it's a Cybervision blue. Those are a lot of fun. It's like a blue exterior with green on the inside, and then you have the Cybervision green. I'm really liking this. I don't know if I would have just, if I was purchasing these and like picking them out, I don't know if I would like, I'd probably scroll past them a little bit, but I wanted to play around with some things that were just a little bit out of my comfort zone. These are a lot of fun. Sometimes you need to get out of your comfort zone and just play around, and you might be very surprised what you like when you try them on. Y'all are gonna have to let me know. Are you picking up colored contacts, playing around? Have you like worn colored contacts for the past years and found some of your favorite shades? I will link them down below. Definitely go and check them out. They have such a good variety of different colored contacts. Okay, you guys, I decided to go ahead and put both lenses in to close out this video. I also wanted to bring up the point that I just looked at Coleyes' website and they do have cosplay lenses, and I had thought about picking some up, but I'm not a cosplayer, so I wanted to stick with lenses that I would probably gravitate more to on a daily basis when I go out and have fun and just change up my makeup, change up my lenses, change up my eye color, just having a lot of fun with the full effect. And these are definitely a fun effect. I looked it up. I was like, these remind me of something because of how light they are. It's reptile eyes. Not the slants or whatever, but the colors of some of them. When I looked it up, the light green, and this is a lot of fun. I think this is the closest I would get to a pair of cosplay lenses out of the 4 that I picked up from them. This is such a fun way to change my appearance. You will have to let me know, are you picking any up? Are you someone who's thought about picking out new colored contact lenses and just playing around and seeing what you look like with different eye colors? Let me know your thoughts, put it in the comments, we'll have that discussion. You guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.